Woo! Well, we are already in the process, but just wanted to show you guys what we're doing with our flower beds. And I think this is called Hügelkultur. Hügelkultur. So we're filling up the flower beds about halfway with branches, stick, things that will help take up space and it'll break down over time. And then we're gonna come back over with compost and good soil and then be able to plant it. So it helps to fill in the space. That's right, helps fill in the space and getting our garden ready. It's about that time, everything's greening, trees are turning, it's getting warmer. So now's the time. Okay, so it makes it a little tough to get this work done because we keep getting interrupted by the chickens. They're loving it. But this is stuff from our old bed. We're gonna be moving it to the new garden. Raised bed garden.
They are having fun.
They are, they're loving it. Digging away.
This will be good to put on the bottom because it's stuff that's not all the way broken down, and then put the good stuff on top.
All right, so we've been having some crow issues lately, like literally all the time. And yeah, they were eating our chicken food. So my wife came up with this idea. These are dollar store pinwheels. We put them up and 0 crows today. So there you go, there's your garden tip of the day. Create some movement. Crows hate movement. You're welcome. All right, this chicken, her name is Brave, and she's showing you why, because she ain't scared of nothing. She comes all up in the middle of us digging.
She's the one that pecks at the crows. She pecked a crow.
Yep.
Oh gosh.
See, she's helping. She's our best helper, but sometimes gets in the way.
Oh.
And just an update, you can see our grass growing in. I'll put the link at the top of the screen for that, but that's very exciting that you can see the grass starting to grow. This is where the chicken tractor will be. All right, so we got a grub.
Here. 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 Come here.
Just throw it to her. There it is. Oh,
Down the hatch.
gone. There's a worm, gone.
Come on.
All right, there you go. Making progress, slow but steady. Every little bit helps. We've got our 3 main garden beds filled. We're gonna build a couple more, get our chickens moved, got our grass growing. So we're making progress. That's the biggest thing. Is it's easy to get frustrated. It's easy to get overwhelmed, but just do it. Just get started, do what you can, a little bit at a time, and it'll all add up one day. Thank you guys for joining today. We appreciate it, and we'll catch you on the next video. That's right. You tell them.